Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will guide you on how to find a client's email on Upwork. First, log into your Upwork account. Navigate to the Messages tab at the top of the page. In the Messages section, select the conversation with the client whose email you need. Open the message thread and look for any shared contact details. If the client has not shared their email in the message thread, you may politely request it. Send a professional messages asking for their email addresses for better communication or specific purposes related to the project. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy freelancing.